guys, we're
We're
lost.
currently we're
Oh my gosh.
We don't know where to go. That's why a while ago we've asked a bodyguard of the bank and asked for directions.
Yes, and we're
And
on
now
our
the
way
way
now.
Yeah, to
To parade grounds.
and the guard said that it is quite far from where we stopped and currently we're walking.
Yes. So we'll see you there. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. I'm Mikaela.
I am Monica.
I'm Criscel.
And
we're
we're
here
at
at Comercio Central.
So Mikaela, what did you bought?
So I bought rice cake from one of the stalls in the Comercio Central.
So Criscel, what did you bought?
So I bought this mango dessert and it's melting.
Oh my
It's melting.
Then I bought this one. How will I show you? A carbonara with pizza, only worth 100 pesos.
So Monica, how is it?
So here is the pizza, and I will try it first.
Good.
That is so cheesy.
How about you, Mika? Is it good? So I stole mango. Criscel's mango. It's okay, we'll share.
And also,
I love the fresh mango and graham. So is it spicy?
Yes, because Mika bought this a while ago, and she can't eat it na. And this is not a vlog anymore. This is a challenge. This is a spicy challenge. Can you see the redness?
Okay lang po ba na interviewin po namin kayo? Ako nga po pala si Mikaela from Holy Angel University. Criscel po. Criscel po. So, more or like po, yung mga itatanong po namin is about lang po sa Comercio Central. So ate, yung unang ko pong tanong, ngayon lang po ba kayo nakapunta sa Comercio Central?
First time namin magkapatid, kung pamangkin ko, nakapunta dito.
So, anong name mo, baby?
Kylie po, Kylie.
Hello!
Hello,
Hello! Ayun, may
Hello!
tumingin. Hi! So, yung second naman po is, paano niyo po nalaman yung
kasi siya sa ano, may event sila ngayon sa Widows na sabi lang niya sa amin na meron ditong food park. Hindi naman namin alam nung umpisa. Trinay lang namin. Tapos nung makita namin, sabi namin, ano pa lang yun, ano pa lang sila, parang nag-aayos pa lang sila, nagluluto pa lang, mga hapon, kaninang hapon dumating kami. Tapos yun nga, na-amaze kami dun sa mga pagkain na hindi kasi eventually nakikita minsan sa mall, hindi rin naman nabibili sa kung saan. Tapos na tuwa talaga kami dun sa ano.
So, nabanggit niyo na rin po yung pagkain. May nasubukan na po ba kayong pagkain sa mga stall po?
Marami yung mga pasta, tapos may pizza, may yung Korean food, street food, tapos yung yung mga buko juice, mga masarap siya, affordable talaga yung hindi ka manghihinayang din sa pera kasi nabusog ka naman, ganun, masarap
Sulit na sulit po talaga
Oo,
yung pera.
sulit. Kaya may balak din kami bumalik dito anytime, siguro hindi lang kasi namin alam kung nag-araw-araw sila dito baka tuwing weekends lang kami pumunta.
Baka po halos gabi lang po talaga nagbukas.
Gabi lang ng Sabado or Linggo, yung mga available lang talaga, maraming tao.
Alam niyo po ba hanggang kailan to?
Hindi. Kasi noon, Makati kasi kami nung kapatid ko. So, noon, merong sa BGC ganito. Tapos, every time na dumadaan kami ng market, may ganitong event. May football din, may mga mga ihaw-ihaw din. Tapos, hindi kami, andun na kami, ang lapit na namin, walking distance na lang sa amin. Hindi namin natatry kumain sa ganyan. Yung parang first time lang talaga namin ma-experience yung ganito. Tapos natutuwa kami, wala nga kaming ganito Pagod na nga kami, bumili lang kami ng mga mauupuan. Kasi nakita namin na may mga pwede palang magdala ng pagkain or kaya pwedeng magganito.
So parang pang family po talaga and pang
Picnic
friends
talaga,
po talaga yung
kaya highly recommended talaga na pwede silang mag-picnic. Baka mga next week pag dumating yung parents namin, dito rin kami mamasyal, ganyan. May peace of mind ka. Hindi ka, kasi kami usually tuwing weekends kasi kami mall. So every time na pupunta kami ng mall, mapapagastos ka. Tapos hindi ka naman mag-enjoy. Pagod ka pa. So maiba naman yung namin, pinupuntahan namin.
presko din naman po dito. Parang lamig po.
Hindi kami yung hindi pa kasi kami masyadong taga Pampanga na nga yung yung kapatid ko, nakapangasawa ng Kapampangan, pero hindi pa namin na-explore yung buong Pampanga, Clark, mga ganun. Ang alam lang namin yung mga mall lang talaga. Hindi pa namin na-explore talaga. First time namin makita yung ganito. Maganda.
Pero kung tutusin po, talagang tago po yung lugar na to. Pero ayun po, na-discover.
Nag-aano nga kami noon sabi nung kapatid ko, mag-ESM tayo. Sabi ko, ang haba ng pila ng parking. Sabi ko, yung pagpunta nga lang namin para ihatid yung ate ko, sabi ko, ang haba ng pila sa parking. Tapos, yun nga, ang namin, talagang pinorso namin dito, makapunta.
So yun na nga po lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you. Sana
Thank you po.
nakatulong.
Thank you po. Thank you po. So guys, we just got home and we're so tired and sleepy. Go. So ano na? You tell the story. Yeah.
So guys, we were not able to have our outro in commercial because we ran out of battery. So now we're home and we decided to film our outro here and tell you the story, what happened after we ran out of battery. So first, because it was already late at night, there were no jeepney passing by, and we tried to ask for directions to the bodyguard, to the people around us where will be the jeepneys will pass by. but unfortunately we tried to wait on that specific area, but there is no jeepney passes by, so we decided to book a grab to take us back to the SM Clark. So now we're here. So Criscel, how was your experience in commercial?
Well, it wasn't my first time, but it was always fun to come back and the food was delicious.
So how about you, Mikaela? How was your experience?
So it was a great night experience where you can bring your friends and family.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes. There's a lot of new experience you will encounter when you go with it.
So if you want, you can come and visit Comercio Central, though it is only at like when Christmas is near, I think. Yes.
So that's all, guys. This is our vlog for today, and I hope you enjoy our vlog. So that's all. Bye.
When Christmas is near, I think.
Yes.
Oh.
So that's all, guys. This is our vlog for today, and I hope you enjoy our vlog. So that's all. Bye.